Hi, this is Spencer, and I have an occasion to do a repair on a newly installed wallpaper panel. The painter, and it wasn't me who did it, ripped the wallpaper with tape by using the wrong tape. So here's the damage. You see how the wallpaper ripped because of the tape? You see it right here. You see the backing exposed. So I'm going to do a repair on this. And this will be step one, or video clip number one to this repair. And so, are we going to replace the whole wallpaper? Well, if we did that, it would come out to over here. And so we're going to, because we have all these vertical lines, we're going to try to keep it on this. We're going to try. And then just bring it up against the trim. A couple of ways to do this. You could try to take the whole piece off, but wallpaper, after you apply the glue to it and you let it stretch, doesn't always meet up. Except if you're doing it in a corner, it's a different story. But here, we're going to try to just keep the repair to the 3 inches of material from here to here. Okay, so see you in the next clip.